Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso Po near Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan Kitiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Shuwaban kudno ka jingi kren chapang ka draft Meghalaya Youth Policy Arjar Arpuway. Ka Office Jong District Sports Officer West Jaintia Hills District menta kasngi ka Arpu Santrik unai liber Arjar Arpuway, kala penlong ye ka workshop consultation program. Banya theory tai sani halor kani ka mat ka bayadai bat ka lawai jong ki samla hagani ka jilla Meghalaya. Ka jingye peliu bat ka jing ai jingmut halor kani ka policy kan sakut no ha ka life way terik unai liber Arjar Arpuway menta usnem bat ka Office Jong District Sports Officer West Jaintia Hills District ka balong ru ka way ni kitana traikam ka bapet kerpang ye kani ka kam kala penlong ka jingi kundo lang ki khon samla bat ki rangba ka district hayung wali ka tepele joai banya theory tai halor kani ka draft Meghalaya Youth Policy Arjar Arpuway ha ka balayo ru ye ka jingbatai penshai na ka kong Arlendem kabalong ka physical training instructor jong ka office u DSO Ribhoy District kuntubru ya u deputy commissioner jong ka West Jaintia Hills District uba Garot LSN Dykes u DSO jong ka West Jaintia Hills uba Krobak Pasa usamla hamishanya suyam bat usamla Ferdinand Suchiang.
Through this meeting today is seeking inputs from the youth of the state on what the state government should focus and emphasize on whilst developing the state youth policy. So, we look forward for your kind and active participation.